Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Pi baru kini kilong ki khubor bam tagasngi. Umentri rangba kajala konrat ke sangma ula plie pat ba ya ka Nongkharai Presbyterian Higher Secondary School ha Umsohpieng kum ukongsan ha kacingyalang kablaya donnang da ginong yalam ki officer bar ki pat ba. Habakran umentri rangba ula kado baka Meghalaya kalakiu syaprang hakini ki news nam shiteng badai kejela kabakiu bah karoi kapar hari India. Hadian ke Tamil Nadu ulaya thuru baka sarkar kalapulut hadu lai hajan rus pa san phosau klur tingka na kabenta ka puli puthi baka jingroi kalong chiphau pesan haman lausnem lalai snem kanthi. Ulapan pau ya gajingtmu ban penbha ya karukam surak jangki Nongkharai adhok bat SSA bat ula kentu ya kikmi kikpa bar kinong hikai bakin lam ya ki samla ban trehok haka sports kasur kakam shimet bar ki program jingroi pat ba. Ula penaru ya gajing ITRY naga Chief Minister Special Grant Fund syaki skul Nongkharai bat season memorial kum kajing yarap ban penroi ya kasap sur jangki kena. Uba Methodius Dakhar Menteri Katanat Food Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs ulalong usimbot kongsan ulai kublei umentri rangba bar ulapan pau bakani ka skul kadai ka jing job jang ka shnong bar ka constituency ulakan mauru i ka jing kershan jang kiru luom kum u lead didi lapang bat lead PE sangma iwe ki blayadon lang ki kentup u Remington Gabil Momin MLA Rambrai Jurngam Lorshai Kharbani MDC bar kinong mikmat patba kajinyalang kalapan syong nongrim daki jingrai bat jingyale akai na ki kena skul.
Hello Meghalaya turns
1 year ago, a small idea sparked a dream which materialized in the form of a screen, an OTT platform to tell stories from the heart of Meghalaya to the world. With over 3.8 lakh downloads and over 1.1 crore views. From indie creators to first-time filmmakers, Hello Meghalaya gave voices a home, a stage and a spotlight. And you, the viewers, made it all possible. 1 year down, 1,000 stories to go. Here's to more laughter, more culture, more Meghalaya.
We love Hello Meghalaya.